Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Miranda at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a plan with me for the week of November 5th through November 11th in my Classic Happy Planner. So I've been super stupid busy traveling with work. Really cool trip though, went to Miami last week, so that was awesome. So let's get back on track. Before we begin, a couple of things. Number one, if you enjoyed the video, I really appreciate a thumbs up. And number two, comment below on maybe your favorite thing about the spread, any feedback, any concerns. Love to hear that. Love to engage with my subbies. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love to have you here. So make sure you hit that button below and subscribe to my channel. And then if you hit the little bell, you will be notified anytime I upload new content. And to my A1s from day ones, girls, thank you so much for rocking with me. I really, really appreciate the support. And let's jump right in. Okay, so this week I figured that we would be using our new color story book because I felt like some of the colors was fall, or fallish. So we're gonna use them. And washi tapes. This is the washi tape. I got this from Joann's, and it goes with this color story sticker. So we're definitely going to be using those. And I actually also have stickers from LOL. I don't know if I'll use them, but I have two of the sticker books here. All right. So we're going to go to the portion where it has like the boho chic vibe, which starts right after the mermaid stuff. Now I really like this purple with the rose gold feathers, but I don't know if I want to do that yet. Let's kind of flip through and see what we're gonna do. I like this weekend, and I actually like, there was another one that I saw that I really liked. Where did it go? All right, so I like this one. So maybe we can use this one to kind of build, and we'll put it on Tuesday afternoon. Of course, we already know the sticker has to be placed. I have to turn everything upside down. And I did not pre-plan this week, so I just put the one thing that I really, really have to stay on top of or get done because it pertains to annual enrollment medical benefits. That's important. Oh, okay, the sticker didn't want to come off my finger. That's a new one for me. All right, let's see. It's a little crooked. Let me see. I guess it's not too bad. It's cute. All right, so that's our inspiration. That's the jump off point right there. So that's something that if you are new to planning, and I know I have some newbies that are with us to planning, that's one of the things that helps you narrow things down. When you're able to find a sticker that you're able to use as your inspiration point. All right, so, and I kind of like to try to keep things balanced. And I like this sticker right here that says today. And I don't know if I want to put that on Friday or do I want to put it on Saturday. Let's see. All right, I'm going to put it on Saturday. And I'm going to put it there. All right. So that's our color scheme and theme. Now, I really loved this particular washi tape, so I am going to use it and throw it down. And I like to take my washi and not make it so matchy-matchy on each side. So on one side, I will put it on one line, but that's not where I'll put it on the second one. And I don't know why this washi is not coming up easily for me, but I finally got it. All right, so this one I want to go down here. And of course it's showing through the page. We don't like that. We don't like it to show. I didn't grab whiteout, so I'm grabbing, this is Tombow as well. It's just not that new one, long one. I figured we could use these up since we already started to use these. And I guess we will come down here a little bit and try to get that out of the way. Okay, so now when we lay this here, oh, that's so pretty. All right, let me get a X-Acto. Here we go. All right. Yep. So, because I really like this rose gold with this burgundy, this has to be on the spread somewhere. So I'm thinking I want to put this down here on this side on the bottom. And it's dark, so we shouldn't have to put any white out. It shouldn't show through. It shouldn't peek through at all. Okay. Let's see. That is very pretty. All right. Okay, okay, okay. And what else colors can we use? So I think I would like to put this one up top here. On this side. Pretty. And as I'm looking, I am kind of favoring this blush color. It's got little polka dots of rose gold, but I know with it being so light, I am going to have to white out this area here. And what I'm gonna do is try to, I don't know if I'm gonna cover it there, but we'll see. And is this it? Okay. I cannot find where it begins. Here it is, and I put a hole in it. That's not good. Let's see. I think it'll be okay. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I would kind of rather move this and put this over the bottom washi because I really, really like this. Really like this blush color. So, oh, it's tearing a little bit. I might have to break out the undo. Let's see. Okay, undo's coming out. I'm not stressing this. All right. There we go. So we got it up to that point. All right, I think we can just pull it up. And it has to come from underneath the washi. All right. And only thing I want to do is bring it down just a little bit. And it can cover here. And I don't mind that it has a little bit of white on the bottom because of the pattern. It'll be fine. So I'm going to try to put it on that way. And I'm okay with that. All right, and let's just go ahead and cover this up top there. All fixed, all cute, and I'm okay with it. Oh, look how that looks. That is so cute. Let's get this little bitty piece off the side here. Yes, okay. So, I think I'm going to, on this one, I'm gonna put this one here. And I think that this one is just gonna be a decorate with me, just simply because I just have so many spreads to get done and I just don't have time to film the rest. And I'm considering with my new job and the obligations that I'm having about going back to do decorate with me and then putting my plans and if you want to see it after the pen, those spreads will be on Instagram. I think I'm going to do it that way simply because I mean just the time and how long the videos are, and it's a lot to edit, guys. It's, you know, it's a lot of work, and I enjoy coming on here every week and pushing myself to the limits creatively. But I also don't want to neglect giving you guys content. You see what I'm saying? So tell me what you guys think about it below. Like, please comment and let me know, because I think, you know, I do put plans. I'm not one of these people that just decorate my planner and don't put plans. I have plans on every single planner. But at the same time, I just want to do what's best for the channel. And this is cute. I don't think that we need to put too much more of anything here. I would like if I had, okay, got a there, we got one there. All right. I think I like it. I think I'm gonna put some more rose gold here on this corner. And I think the stars are appropriate. So we'll just do it like this. Let's put a couple. Oh, let's put some right here. We can just. I think this is absolutely beautiful. I love the way that it turned out. And guess what? We really used one sticker book with the exception of these little rose gold sticker pack. Or this little rose gold small sticker pack in this makeshift book. So that's the first time in a long time that I have been able to use just one sticker book. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't even challenge myself to use one sticker book, but I love the way that this came out. It's so cute. And yes, so thank you so much for watching this decorate with me. And I hope you guys stay tuned to my Instagram page to see how it looked after the pen. I'll start posting those. I'll do a midweek on Wednesday, and on at the end of the week, maybe Friday or Saturday, I'll post the completed spread. But I will tell you guys, for pens this week, I've chosen my friction erasable pens in 0.7. So I'm going to use these colors to fill out my plans. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please don't forget the 3 things. Thumbs up, comment below, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great and productive week. Ciao, Bella.